In the 1930s, the paleontologist Ralph von Koenigswald wanted as many fossils as he could find from Java. So he paid the local people for each fossil that they brought him. Now, the local people quickly realized that they can make more money by smashing intact specimens and providing him with pieces. Our first instinct might be to think that those locals were a little bit cheeky, cheating the system to earn more. But those of us who train our minds to know that there's always more to the story can learn that this was rural Java. During a period of economic strain inside an unequal colonial order where small cash payments could matter really quite a lot to someone's life. So when we're trying to understand human behavior, our first impulse is to often reach for the explanation that feels the most obvious to us. And sometimes these explanations contain part of the truth. But the problem in that lies in that, well, partly true things are, well, only partly true. Human behavior is rarely linear. It is usually produced across several different levels at once that are all interacting and feeding back into one another. Which is why our first explanation can often be so misleading, because we're leaving out all of the other levels of behavior that actually loop into each other and explain the behavior. So instead of reaching for our first impulse, if we want to think better about behavior, we can generally ask, what level of explanation am I using and what am I leaving out?